Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the JSB HF139 infrared body massager. You can see what this particular body massager looks like. This comes with infrared heat massage and 1 year of warranty. Let's quickly take a look what other information we can gather from here. This is good for pain relief, muscle relaxation and also slimming. Comes with ergonomic design, specially to massage back and feet. Massage strength is adjustable, vibration and infrared heat massage. Long handle to reach back and legs. So far that's all the information we can gather from the box. Let's open this and show you what's inside. So this is the instruction manual for the HF139. Everything that you want to know you will find over here, including cleaning, maintenance, how to use and technical specifications as well. By the way, rated power for this particular massager is 25 watts. So this is a 25 watt massager. We also have warranty card for this product, and this is also a thank you note from JSB. Now let's take a look at the product here. There you go. This is the JSB infrared massager, the HF139, and we also have 4 attachments here. This is the first attachment. This basically covers a wide range for when you want to massage, when you want to do the massaging. Then we have these two. This is for deep tissue massage, and this is for when you want to focus on a single area. This is also for massaging. This is good for massaging your feet actually. And finally we have this attachment with a soft top, the soft velvet top right over here. Now let's take a look at the massager over here. This is what it looks like. This comes with this nice white and golden, not gold really, kind of a chrome color combination. It's made out of ABS plastic and is very elegant looking. This is a super elegant massager. It has this pretty long ergonomic handle, and notice over here there's a control console over here that tells you all the different functions. Like this is basically for your infrared, this is for controlling vibration, this is for controlling intensity, vibration modes, then intensity, and finally this is a power button. Speaking of power, you have a 360-degree swivel cord at the end with a pretty long, almost a 2-meter long PVC cable with a 2-pin plug on the other end. Let's give this massager a test run. I will connect this to a power source and attach some of the heads over there. So I've attached it now to a power source and let's turn it on. There you go, you can see it working right now. Okay. This is one vibration mode. If I click on it again, okay, click this button. Now the mode has changed. Let me click there. I'll click it again. The third mode. Mode number 4. 5. 6. And we're back to number 1. So there's 6 different vibration modes, and this button controls the intensity. It's a high intensity now. 3rd speed setting, 4th speed setting, 6th speed setting, and now we're back to the 1st speed setting. Finally, this button is for the infrared massaging, but I don't want to do that right now. I don't want this component to heat up, which reminds me, this is basically your infrared property right over here. Let's put in one of the attachments and see how that functions. Do I remove this? Yes, I do remove this. There you go, and put this attachment over here. And let's try. There you go, it works great. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the JSB HF139 infrared body massager. Thank you for watching.